Hello, fellow gardeners. Today, let's talk about giving your seeds the best possible start. Starting seeds indoors gives you a head start on the growing season and lets you watch tiny seeds become strong plants. But to do this well, your seeds need a special home, a good seed starting mix. Garden soil is often too heavy, holds too much water, and can contain pests or weed seeds. A seed starting mix is light, clean, and just right for baby plants. It holds water but drains well, stays fluffy for root growth, and is low in nutrients to protect delicate roots. Making your own mix is cheaper and lets you control exactly what goes in. You'll know it's clean and safe for your future food. Taking this step means you're setting your garden up for success from day one. It's a simple change that makes a huge difference. Your seedlings will grow stronger and healthier, all because you gave them the perfect start. Let's see how to make it happen. You only need 3 basic ingredients for the perfect seed starting mix. First, the base coconut coir or sifted compost. Both hold moisture and keep the mix light. Second, drainage vermiculite or coarse sand. These help excess water escape and prevent soggy roots. Third, aeration perlite or crushed charcoal. These create air pockets so roots can breathe. Coconut coir is renewable and holds water well. Sifted compost works if it's fine and clump-free. Vermiculite is a natural mineral that keeps the mix loose and slowly releases water and nutrients. Coarse sand is a good alternative for drainage. Perlite is lightweight volcanic glass that keeps the mix airy. Crushed charcoal also adds air pockets and keeps the mix fresh. The combination of these 3 ingredients creates a balanced, healthy home for your seeds. Base for moisture, drainage for water control, and aeration for root health. No mystery chemicals, just what your seedlings need. With these, you're ready to mix up the perfect start. Let's get to the recipe. Making your own mix is simple, just measure and combine. Use 2 parts base, coconut coir or compost, 1 part drainage, vermiculite or sand, and 1 part aeration, perlite or charcoal. Use any container for measuring, just keep it consistent. For example, 2 scoops coir, 1 scoop vermiculite, 1 scoop perlite. Mix all ingredients in a large container or bucket. If using compressed coir, add water to expand it first. Stir until the mix is uniform, no clumps. The mix should feel light, fluffy, and slightly damp. If it's dry, add a little water. If it's too wet, let it air out. Squeeze a handful. It should clump but not drip. That's it. Your homemade seed starting mix is ready. Simple, quick, and perfect for your seeds. Now let's plant. Fill clean seed trays or pots loosely with your homemade mix. Don't pack it down. Moisten the mix before planting by letting trays soak in water for 30 minutes. Once damp, plant your seeds at the depth recommended on the packet. Tiny seeds can be sprinkled on the surface and pressed down gently. For larger seeds, make small holes with a pencil or finger. Cover seeds lightly with more mix and press gently so they touch the soil. Mist the surface with a spray bottle. Place trays in a warm spot and cover with plastic to keep humidity high. Check daily for sprouts. Once you see green, remove the cover and move trays to a sunny window or under grow lights. Watch your seedlings thrive. Here's a bonus tip. Add a sprinkle of ground cinnamon to your mix to prevent fungal problems like damping off. Cinnamon is a natural antifungal and helps keep seedlings healthy. You can also mix in a tablespoon of neem seed meal for extra protection against pests and disease. These simple additions can save your seedlings from trouble. By making your own mix, you control quality and avoid chemicals. You'll feel proud watching your seeds sprout in soil you made yourself. Gather your ingredients, mix up a batch, and see the difference. Your seedlings will thank you with strong, healthy growth. This is one of the best ways to ensure a successful, bountiful garden. Happy gardening, may your seedlings grow strong.